I'm here with Justin. It's 5:30 and we're going to the gym.
Just a mistake, what do you come back to me? Every step that you take echoes through me. Don't let me go. Don't let
Did you have a good workout?
Yeah, dude. I'm dead.
He almost threw up. I made him throw up almost.
Everyone wanna be big.
Everybody wanna be a bodybuilder. Ain't nobody wanna lift no heavy weights.
Right.
The worst thing about the cold is getting in a car with leather seats. Leather. It's 36 degrees. I don't know if you can see that. It's just not too cold, but it was just 60 2 days ago in December and there's still snow on the ground. Anyways, guys, I forgot to mention, so this morning I woke up and I heard my dad, he was yelling to my mom, and apparently one of my cats, his foot, he cut it open and it had a cut about that long, which is, I don't know, like 1.5 inches long. So he was bleeding everywhere. I'll throw some pictures up right now of all the blood that was all through our house. It looked like a murder scene. So he's in the vet right now, and he has to get stitches, but they have to put him under anesthetic, so we're probably gonna get him back tomorrow, and I'll update you on that. But yeah, it was pretty bad, guys. There was a puddle of blood that was like 4 inches, and I felt bad for him because he was super scared. So, but we still have no idea like how this happened, right? So I kind of like followed the blood throughout the house to see where he was at, and right next to it, we have like this metal chair in the basement, and it has like a metal ring at the bottom of the foot, like what it sits on, and that was kind of bent. It's an older chair, so I don't know if that was it. It was a little bit sharp, so, and there's a big puddle of blood next to it. So I don't know if like he was running and he like ran into it and scraped his foot against it or what, but that's right where all the blood was, so that's what I think. I have no clue if he could have even cut it on that, but we really have no clue how he did it. We just saw it when he came running upstairs and had blood all over him and all over the carpet and everything. So he's gonna be okay though. We know he will. So I wish I could have gotten a picture of his foot while it was happening, because he's an orange cat, and his whole back leg was completely red. It was like the color of a tomato, and you could just see how big the cut was and how deep it was. So, but when it happened, I wasn't even thinking to grab the camera or anything. It was just like, I don't know, it was like parent mode kicked in. My kitty, man. I love cats. You guys should comment down below, what is your favorite animal? Mine is personally a cat, or cats. We have 3 of them, and I don't know. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you guys watching. Obviously, these are my first vlogs. It's kind of awkward still, but yeah, see what I mean?